Hi guys, and welcome back to another Endless Tech video. In this video I will be doing a case swap on this gaming PC along with some minor but well needed upgrades on a budget, so let's get straight into it. So, this is my friend's gaming PC. He picked it up for £50 or around $60 on Facebook Marketplace a while back. It came with an Intel Core i5-2500K, GTX 650 Ti, 8GB of DDR3 RAM, a 500GB hard drive and a 500-watt power supply. As you might have gathered, this is not the latest of machines, but he said it does just the job for him. He mostly plays GTA, Rocket League and Rainbow Six Siege, and they run just fine on this. I honestly don't know how he did it all on a hard drive, but nevertheless, he has saved up some money and decided to do a case swap after finding a good deal on a gaming PC case along with a couple needed upgrades on a budget, so let's dive in. So, this is the case he found, an Aero Cool Cylon used for £25 or around $30. He is on a tight budget and does not want to spend a lot on the PC, but for £25 you can't knock it. For the upgrades he got a 120GB Kingston A400 SSD used for £9, which is still very healthy, 16GB kit of Samsung DDR3 RAM for £15, and a new beefy CPU cooler for £8, as he said the 2500K ran a little bit toasty and the idle temp would be around 60 degrees Celsius. Sorry, I could not get any nice shots of the final product as I was in a rush to make this video, but here are some pictures and a couple videos. If you like this video, please hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.